বিশ্বাস আছে তো? ভরসা আছে তো? আমি কোনোদিন মানুষকে ঠকাই নাই। আমি মনে করি কথা দিয়ে কথা রাখাটা কাজ। আমি মানুষকে ঠকানোর থেকে আমার মৃত্যু হওয়া ভালো। আমি যা বলি সেটা করি, আজীবন সেটা করে যাব। তার কারণ মমতার গ্যারেন্টি মোদির গ্যারেন্টির মতো মিথ্যাচার নয়। মমতার গ্যারেন্টি মমতা নয়, মা মাটি মানুষ।
To spearhead revolutionary transformation not just in Bengal but country at large, and to suppress the evil forces who are working for their vested interests, the All India Trinamool Congress presents their manifesto for Lok Sabha elections 2024. Didir Shopot. বর্ধিত আয় শ্রমিকদের সহায়. 100 days of guaranteed work will be ensured to all job card holders, and all workers will receive an increased minimum wage of rupees 400 per day nationally. দেশ জুড়ে বাড়ি হবে সবারই. Dignified housing will be guaranteed for all poor families in the country, providing safe and secure homes to everyone. জ্বালানির জ্বালা কমবে, দেশের জ্বালা ঘুচবে. All BPL families will be provided 10 LPG cylinders free of cost every year to enable them adequate access to clean cooking fuel, thereby promoting environmentally friendly practices. অনেক হয়েছে শাসন, এবার দুয়ারে রেশন. 5 kg free ration will be provided to every ration card holder every month. Ration will be delivered free of cost to doorstep of every beneficiary. আমাদের অঙ্গীকার, নিরাপত্তা বাড়বে সবার. The number of higher education scholarships for OBCs, SC and STs will be increased to uplift youth from marginalized communities. The existing old age pension for elderly people above 60 years will be hiked to rupees 1,000 per month, 12,000 annually. বর্ধিত আয় নিশ্চিত এবার, ফুটবে হাসি অন্নদাতার. As per the recommendations of the Swaminathan Commission, MSP will be legally guaranteed to India's farmers, set at least 50% higher than the average cost of production of all crops. স্বল্প মূল্যে পেট্রোপণ্য, ভারতবর্ষের সকলে ধন্য. Prices of petrol, diesel and LPG cylinders will be capped at affordable levels. A price stabilization fund will be created to handle price fluctuations. নিশ্চিন্ত ভবিষ্যৎ অর্জন, যুব শক্তির গর্জন. All graduates and diploma holders up to the age of 25 will be provided 1-year apprenticeships to enhance their skills and employability. A monthly stipend will be provided to help apprentices support themselves economically. Student credit cards of up to 10 lakh will be provided to students pursuing higher education. স্বচ্ছ আইন, স্বাধীন ভারত. The botched up Citizenship Amendment Act will be abolished and the National Register of Citizens will be discontinued. Uniform Civil Code will not be implemented across India. এগিয়ে বাংলা, এগোবে ভারত. Girls aged between 13 and 18 will be provided an annual grant of rupees 1,000 and a one-time grant of rupees 25,000 for education, in line with Bengal's Konyashri scheme. All general category women across the nation will be provided a monthly financial assistance of rupees 1,000, yearly 12,000, and all SC/ST women will be provided a monthly financial assistance of rupees 1,200, yearly 14,400, in line with Bengal's Lokhir Bhandar scheme. Ayushman Bharat health insurance program will be replaced by a stronger health insurance program with an increased cover of rupees 10 lakh, in line with Bengal's Shastro Shati scheme. The people of Bengal have always stood against all kinds of injustice. Let's pledge to protect Bengal's heritage and pride. Cast your vote on TMC symbol.